Good morning, students. So today we have to continue exercise 5.11. Some problems we have already discussed in the previous video. So today we have to start from question number 10. So let us see question number 10 of exercise 5.11. Question number 10, second part. See question number 10, second part. So what is 10 second part? Let y is equal to sin x to the power cos x plus x to the power sin x. X to the power sin x. We have to differentiate it, means we have to find dy by dx. See here, we will suppose let u is equal to sin x to the power cos x and v is equal to x to the power sin x. Let us suppose this first function sin x to the power cos x is u and x to the power sin x it is v. So we can write here y is equal to u plus v. Y is equal to u plus v. What will be derivative? Dy by dx is equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. Make it number 1. Now we have to find du by dx from this one and dv by dx from this, and after that put here. Okay. So how we can find du by dx? It is function to the power function. Function to the power function. So we have to use log here. So take log u is equal to log sin x to the power cos x. We have to differentiate one by one. So log u is equal to log of sin x to the power cos x. U is the power rule. So it can be written cos x log sin x. Okay. Log m to the power n log m. So cos x log of sin x. Now differentiate. So it is log u 1 by u and derivative of u du by dx. Use here product rule. Cos x is first function, log sin x is second function. Product rule. So it is cos x derivative of second. So what is derivative of second? Derivative of log sin x, it is 1 by sin x. And then differentiate sin x. So it is cos x plus log of cos x, second sin x, log of sin x, second function, into derivative of cos x, first function. Derivative of cos is minus sin x. So cos upon sin, it will be cot x into cos x and plus into minus sin x into log sin x plus into minus sin x into log sin x. It will be 1 by u du by dx. What will be du by dx? Cross multiply by u. So it is cot x into cos x minus sin x into log sin x. Okay. And after that we have to put the value of u. U is what? Sin x to the power cos x. So write here sin x to the power cos x. So du by dx is equal to sin x to the power cos x. Sin x to the power cos x. into cot x into cos x minus sin x log sin x. It is du by dx. So we have supposed here sin x to the power cos x u, and we have found du by dx is this much. We can put here du by dx, this one. We have to put here du by dx. Okay. So, and next time we have to find dv by dx from this. So firstly write here du by dx. Du by dx is equal to sin x to the power cos x in bracket cot x into cos x minus sin x into log sin x minus sin x into log sin x. Now we have to find dv by dx. So v is equal to x to the power sin x. Again taking log on both the sides, we have to find dv by dx like this. So see here, take log, it is log v is equal to log x to the power sin x. Log v is equal to log x to the power sin x. Use the power rule of log. We can write sin x log x. Sin x log x. It is log v. Differentiating on both the sides. So log v differentiation 1 by v dv by dx. Log v 1 upon v and v derivative is dv by dx. Here we will apply the product rule first into second function. So sin x derivative of log x is 1 by x. First function sin x derivative of second log x 1 by x plus log x derivative of sin cos x. So what will be dv by dx? Cross multiply by v. So it is sin x upon x plus log x cos x, and put the value of v here. So it will be x to the power sin x upon x plus log x cos x. So it is dv by dx, and this is du by dx. We have to put these two values here to get dy by dx. So putting du by dx, putting du by dx and dv by dx in equation number 1. Right, therefore dy by dx is equal to, du by dx is this one, right here, sin x to the power cos x, cot x cos x minus sin x into log of sin x. So du by dx over. Now write dv by dx plus x to the power sin x in bracket sin x upon x plus log x cos. So we have put here dv by dx and du by dx. So this is the final derivative. So in this way we have to solve this type of problem. So question number 10, many parts are there. Let us see one more question from question number 10, seventh part. Seventh part. Seventh part, question number 10. We can suppose here x to the power x minus 2 to the power sin x. Again suppose let u is equal to x to the power x. Suppose this function is equal to u and then take log here. Log u is equal to log of x to the power x. Use power rule, it will be x log x. Differentiate it 1 by u du by dx. Use the product rule here. First function, second function. So first function derivative of log x is 1 by x. Second log x derivative of x is 1. X cancel. So it will be 1 plus log x. What will be du by dx? U into cross multiply by u into 1 plus log x. Put the value of u is what? X to the power x. So d by dx of x to the power x, right here x to the power x, 1 plus log x. So derivative of x to the power x is what? X to the power x in bracket 1 plus log x. So differentiate it right here. dy by dx is equal to d by dx of x to the power x minus d by dx of 2 to the power sin x. What is this derivative? X to the power x in bracket 1 plus log x minus derivative of this one. So we will apply here a to the power x derivative. What is a to the power x derivative? We know that d by dx of a to the power x is a to the power x log a. Derivative of a to the power x is a to the power x log a. Here 2 to the power sin x. So in place of a, 2 is there. And in place of x, sin x is there. So we will write minus a to the power x log a means log 2 into. Now we have to differentiate this power sin x. So derivative of sin x is cos x. So it is x to the power x 1 plus log x minus 2 to the power sin x into log 2 cos x. This is the derivative. So it was last part of question number 10. Let us see question number 11. Question number 11. See 11th question. It is given y is equal to log x to the power cos x plus x square minus 1 plus 1 upon x square minus 1. We have to find dy by dx. Again same thing, let u is equal to log x to the power cos x and v is equal to x square plus 1 upon x square minus 1. Take log here. We are differentiating both functions separately, then we will put here. So log u is equal to log of log x to the power cos x. Log m to the power n. So n log m. So it will be cos x into log of log x. It is log u. Now differentiate. So log u derivative 1 upon u du by dx. Use here product rule. First function, second function. So first function is cos x and derivative of this one. Derivative of log x is 1 upon x. In place of x, log x is there. So it is 1 by log x. Again differentiate log x. So 1 by x plus log of log x. Second function log of log x. Derivative of cos x minus sin x. So it is cos x upon x log x minus sin x into log of log x. So it is 1 by u du by dx. What will be du by dx? Cross multiply by u. So cos x upon x log x minus sin x into log of log x. So du by dx is this one. Now you can put u. What is u? This is here. So in place of u, we have to put this value right here. It is log x whole to the power cos x. So this is derivative of du by dx, means derivative of the first one. Now we have to differentiate second one. So second one you can do it by taking log or without taking log both. So directly differentiate it. dv by dx is equal to, use here quotient rule. Quotient rule. So quotient rule means square of the denominator. Then denominator x square minus 1, derivative of numerator. So it will be 2x, numerator derivative, x square derivative 2x, 1 derivative is 0, minus x square plus 1 numerator, and derivative of denominator. So it is again 2x. X square minus 1 derivative is 2x minus 0. So take 2x common. 2x common. We will get x square minus 1 from here and minus x square minus 1. X square minus 1 minus x square minus 1 whole upon x square minus 1 whole square plus x square minus x square cancel. Minus 1 minus 2. So it is minus 4x upon x square minus 1 whole square. Okay. So we have found here du by dx and dv by dx. This one is u, this is v. So y is equal to u plus v. This is u, this is v. dy by dx, it will be equal to du by dx plus dv by. So put here du by dx. What is du by dx? This one. Log x to the power cos x. In bracket cos x upon x log x minus sin x into log of log x, bracket close. This is du by dx. Now write dv by dx. So dv by dx is minus 4x upon x square minus 1 whole square. Minus 4x upon x square minus 1 whole square. This one answer. So it was question number 11. Now we will see question number 12. 12 and 13, two more questions remaining. So let us take one part from question number 12. First part, 12th, first part. See question number 12, first part. It is given x to the power y into y to the power x. X to the power y to the power x is equal to a to the power b. So taking log on both the sides. So take log, we can write log x to the power y to the power x is equal to log a to the power b. Log m into n. This one is m, this is n. Log m into n is log m plus n, product rule. Log m plus log n. So log x to the power y plus log y to the power x, and it is b log a, we can write. Again use the power rule, log m to the power n, n log m. So it is y log x, and this one x log y, b log a. Use power rule here, m to the power n, n log m, so it is y log x. Now differentiate it. So this one first function, this is second function. So first function y, derivative of log x is 1 by x, plus log x, second function, derivative of y, dy by dx. Again suppose x first function, log y second. So first function x, log y derivative 1 by y, and y derivative dy by dx, plus second function log y into derivative of first 1. Right side is the constant. This one is constant, so its derivative is 0. Take dy by dx common. Take dy by dx common. So if we take dy by dx common, what we can get? Log x plus x upon y. Log x plus x upon y is equal to, transpose it. So minus y by x, transpose y by x right side, and log y also, minus log y. Now simplify it. So take LCM here. Take LCM, it is y log x plus x. Y log x plus x upon y is equal to minus y minus x log y upon x. Take minus sign common, so it is y plus x log y upon x. So what will be dy by dx? What will be dy by dx? We will divide right side with the coefficient of dy by d. So it will be y by x, y plus x log y upon divide by this x plus y log x and minus sign here. So cross multiply by y, so y into y plus x log y upon x is there, divide by this, so x plus y log x. So this one answer, dy by dx. It was question number 12, first part. Now we will take the last question of this exercise 13. Question number 13. See question number 13. It is given y is equal to x to the power x log this up to infinity, Then we have to prove dy by dx is equal to y square upon x in bracket 1 minus y log y square upon x into 1 minus y log x. So y is equal to x to the power x up to infinity is given. So what we can write here? If we cover this first term x, what is this part? This part is also equal to y. X to the power x up to infinity. If we leave the first base x, then other power we can write it as equal to y. So this one is also equal to y. So we can write y is equal to x to the power y. Take log. So log y is equal to log x to the power y. Use power rule. So it will be y log x. So log y is equal to y log x. Now differentiate it. Log y derivative 1 by y. Y derivative dy by dx. Use here product rule. So first function derivative of second. First function is y. Derivative of log x is 1 by x. Plus second function log x. Derivative of y. Dy by dx. Transpose all the dy by dx one side. So 1 by y dy by dx, 1 by y dy by dx minus log x, and right side is y by x. We can take dy by dx common. So we can get here 1 upon y minus log x. 1 upon y minus log x is equal to y by x. We have to prove this one. So simplify it. Dy by dx, take LCM, 1 minus y log x upon y is equal to y by cross multiply by y. So dy by dx 1 minus y log x is equal to y into y square by x. So this implies dy dx of y, divide the coefficient of dy by dx, divide the right side by the coefficient of dy by dx. Y square upon x in bracket 1 minus y log x. And we have to prove this result. So it is proved. So it was question number 13. So in this way we have completed this exercise 5.11. Any doubt you can ask. In the next video we will discuss the next exercise. Okay, thank you class.